Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, I will show you how to quickly replace the mold cavities for EPS mold. The process of changing the mold cavities is very simple. You just need to use a tool to remove the screws that fix the mold core, and you can easily remove the mold cavities. Install the mold cavities that need to be replaced in the specified position, and then tighten it. The video demonstrates the whole operation process. Here we go. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.